Winter snowstorm. Boy, is it ever coming down. Winter snow 2001, January 2nd. This is the worst snow we have had here in almost 8 years. I'm taking a picture of this, Anna. It's the first snow we've had here in almost 8 years. Right. This is the backyard, and it's a regular blizzard. And this is looking toward the front again. We're in a regular blizzard. Even though now the road is wet, but it's supposed to freeze over tonight. And a reminder that they are still working on Oakdale Road. It's been doing this pretty much steady since 9:30 this morning, 9:30.